This is a smoked duck mami at Piggyback. It's one of my favorite dishes. This is my play on the traditional Filipino noodle soup. So this is a duck mami broth. We smoke the bones, so it has a nice, rich, deep flavor. And then we have some braised duck leg that we're gonna add to the broth. We're using ramen noodles for the duck mami. Traditionally, it can be like a wonton noodle, but really, to me, mami is like Filipino ramen, so I want to use the ramen noodles. We're gonna season it with a little bit of salt, chili flakes just for a little heat, fish sauce, garlic oil, lime juice. Gotta give it a taste. It's good. Our noodles. We're gonna pour our duck mami broth on top. We have a soy cured ramen egg.